Iipinge stated that new road designs need to be incorporated into the construction of roads in the country, while further noting the challenge of adequate funding. The CEO mentioned that there is a need for funding to sustain the country's road infrastructure.
The issue of research and innovation is key. If I look at the current design and construction methodology at the Mango, it's probably based in the standards of the South African Bureau standards of the 70s and 60s. But we are talking about going into the future. The question then is, what is that we need to do to ensure that we look at new ways of designing our roads and constructing our roads, given the issues of climate change, but also other factors. And I think for us, and as a road fund, this is what we need to be deliberating and investing more money to ensure that we improve on the standards that we have.
Speaking at the same occasion, Roads Authority Engineering Executive Officer Rauna Hanguo noted that deliberations from the working visit brought forth an opportunity for the two countries to partner on a pilot project of road infrastructure that can withstand Sierra Leone's rainy climate.
Maybe we should not be so proud of our roads just because we do not have that kind of
rainfall.
We also felt challenged and willing to kind of doing together a pilot project to see if we can challenge that weather. And when it comes to materials, we thought Namibia had no material for road construction. But other people out there, they are worse off than us. And we need to learn more and to be challenged to work in such an environment and see if we can defeat nature somehow and have infrastructure that are not flooded during the year, because they told us that they have a rainfall of about 7 months. We have just been talking, what about if we make a pilot project together and see if we can bring in some innovation, and also the same innovation will help us better our own infrastructure.
Iipinge also said there is a need to pay specific attention to the advent of electric vehicles, where the world is moving towards. Hence, policy instruments regulating electric vehicles should be put in place before they are fully introduced in Namibia.
It's a matter of time before Namibia and the African continent start to see the introduction of more and more electric vehicles. But if we don't have the policy instruments in place, in terms of regulating electric vehicles, putting up the charging infrastructure, we will be left behind the curve.